these at Michael and thought they were pretty cool. They're smaller boxes than the ones we've seen. You guys probably have seen them, but I think this is the first time I've seen something this small. I thought they'd be pretty cool to use them for storage for your G.I. Joe's base camp. They're sold in a set of 3. I think I paid $1.99 or something like that. Maybe $3.99. I can't remember. But it wasn't too bad of a deal. I can't wait to put these into service. I think I'll make a neat little storage container for my G.I. Joes. I did a video a while back of these storage containers, or my collection of storage containers, so you can check that out too. For my next project, I found a pattern for a hat my dad had, so I copied it and made it small so it fit my G.I. Joe's head. This is different than the patterns I worked on. This one has an oval shape instead of the round shape. And I also got a whole bunch of this crocodile textured leather. I think it's cowhide. I think it'll be pretty cool. I think it'll look nice. Anyways, a little short one for you. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. I post pictures and photo stories there. Be sure to check it out. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.